Welcome to Intelligence Gateway. What is the average session duration in Google Analytics? The average session duration in Google Analytics varies widely depending on the type of website and its content. Generally speaking, the longer the session duration, the better, as it indicates that users are engaged and spending more time on the website. However, the average session duration can be influenced by a variety of factors such as the length of content, the number of pages visited, and user behavior. In some cases, a shorter session duration may be expected, such as on a news website where users may quickly consume content before moving on to another site. As such, there is no fixed average session duration for a website. How can I increase session duration in Google Analytics? Here are some strategies to increase session duration in Google Analytics. Create high-quality content, offer relevant, engaging, and informative content that keeps users interested and engaged. Use multimedia such as images and videos to add interest and variety. Improve page load time. A fast-loading website can improve user experience and reduce bounce rates, which can increase session duration. Optimize images, minify code, and enable browser caching to improve page speed. Optimize internal linking. Link related pages together, creating a natural path for users to navigate through your website. This can increase the number of pages users visit, leading to longer session durations. Use clear calls to action. Use clear and compelling calls to action to encourage users to take action on your website, such as signing up for a newsletter, filling out a form, or making a purchase. Optimize for mobile. With an increasing number of users accessing websites on mobile devices, it's essential to ensure that your website is mobile-friendly and offers an optimal experience on smaller screens. By implementing these strategies, you can create a better user experience and encourage users to spend more time on your website, ultimately leading to longer session durations in Google Analytics. What is a page view in Google Analytics? In Google Analytics, a page view is a metric that measures the number of times a page on a website has been viewed. Each time a page is loaded, a page view is recorded in Google Analytics. This metric provides insights into how many times visitors are viewing individual pages on a website and can help to identify the most popular pages. Page views are also used to calculate other important metrics such as bounce rate, average session duration, and pages per session. What is a unique page view in Google Analytics? In Google Analytics, a unique page view is a metric that measures the number of sessions during which a specific page was viewed at least once. Unlike page views, which count every time a page is loaded, unique page views only count each page view once per session. This means that if a visitor views the same page multiple times during a single session, it will only be counted as a single unique page view. Unique page views are a useful metric for understanding the actual number of visitors who are viewing a particular page on a website. This can help to identify the most engaging content and improve user experience. How do I track page views in Google Analytics? To track page views in Google Analytics, you need to install the Google Analytics tracking code on your website. Once installed, Google Analytics will automatically track page views and other metrics. To view page views data in Google Analytics, follow these steps. Sign into your Google Analytics account. Select the website for which you want to view page views data. In the left sidebar, click on Behavior and then select Site Content and All Pages. This will display a report showing the page views for all the pages on your website. You can further customize this report by setting a date range, adding filters, and selecting different metrics and dimensions. By default, Google Analytics tracks all page views on your website, but you can also set up custom page view tracking for specific pages or events using JavaScript code. What is a referral in Google Analytics? In Google Analytics, a referral is a source of traffic that refers visitors to your website. Referral traffic is recorded when a user clicks on a link on another website and is directed to your website. The referring website is known as the referrer. Referral traffic is important because it can help you understand which external websites are sending traffic to your website and which are the most effective in driving traffic to your website. This information can be useful for identifying new marketing opportunities and improving your website's SEO. In Google Analytics, you can view referral data by going to the Acquisition section and selecting All Traffic and Referrals. This will show you a list of websites that have referred traffic to your website, along with metrics such as sessions, bounce rate, and pages per session. What is a direct traffic in Google Analytics? In Google Analytics, direct traffic refers to visitors who come to your website by typing your website URL directly into their browser or by clicking on a bookmark they have saved. Direct traffic can also include visitors who come to your website from untagged links, such as links shared in email or instant messaging platforms. Direct traffic is important because it represents visitors who already know your website and have a direct interest in your products or services. However, it can also be challenging to track the source of direct traffic, since it doesn't come from a search engine or another website. In Google Analytics, direct traffic is tracked by default, and you can view direct traffic data by going to the Acquisition section and selecting All Traffic and Channels. This will show you a breakdown of traffic by channel, including direct traffic. You can also create segments to view specific subsets of direct traffic, such as new versus returning visitors. What is organic traffic in Google Analytics? In Google Analytics, organic traffic refers to visitors who come to your website from search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo. Organic traffic is important because it represents visitors who found your website through a search query, indicating that they are actively looking for the products or services you offer. Organic traffic is tracked by default in Google Analytics, and you can view organic traffic data by going to the Acquisition section and selecting All Traffic and Channels. This will show you a breakdown of traffic by channel, including organic traffic. You can also view more detailed organic traffic data by going to the Acquisition section and selecting Search Console, which will show you search query data and other search-related metrics. To increase organic traffic to your website, you can use search engine optimization, SEO, techniques like keyword research, on-page optimization, link building, and content marketing. By optimizing your website for search engines, you can improve your website's ranking in search results and attract more organic traffic. What is paid traffic in Google Analytics? In Google Analytics, paid traffic refers to visitors who come to your website by clicking on paid advertising campaigns, such as pay-per-click, PPC, ads, display ads, or social media ads. These ads are typically created and managed through advertising platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or LinkedIn Ads. Paid traffic can be tracked in Google Analytics by setting up conversion tracking and linking your advertising accounts to your Google Analytics account. This will allow you to track the performance of your paid campaigns and measure the return on investment, ROI, of your advertising spend. To increase paid traffic to your website, you can create targeted and engaging ads that attract your target audience and lead them to relevant landing pages. You can also use targeting options and bid strategies to optimize your ad campaigns and maximize your ad spend. By measuring and analyzing your paid traffic data in Google Analytics, you can make data-driven decisions to improve your advertising performance and achieve your business goals. How do I track traffic sources in Google Analytics? To track traffic sources in Google Analytics, you can follow these steps. Sign into your Google Analytics account and select the website you want to track. Click on the Acquisition tab in the left-hand menu. Under Acquisition, you'll see a list of different sources of traffic, such as direct, organic search, social, and referral. Click on any of these sources to see more detailed information, such as the number of sessions, page views, and average session duration from that source. You can also use the Secondary Dimension drop-down to add additional dimensions to your traffic source data, such as source/medium, campaign, or keyword. To see real-time traffic sources, click on the Real-Time tab in the left-hand menu, and then select Traffic Sources under Overview. What is a landing page in Google Analytics? A landing page in Google Analytics is the first page a visitor sees when they arrive on your website. This could be any page on your website that a visitor arrives on, whether it be your home page, a product page, a blog post, or any other page. In Google Analytics, You can view data about your landing pages by navigating to the Behavior tab in the left-hand menu, and then selecting Site, Content, and Landing Pages. This will show you a list of the pages that visitors landed on when they arrived on your website, along with data such as the number of sessions, bounce rate, and average session. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.